Dear friends, this is Rajesh from JobStop, India's first chatting job portal. Here are top 5 skills which you need to have in your resume. The first is the most important, the communication skills. This includes both your verbal and the written communication abilities. Employers highly value candidates who can convey information, listen actively, interact with colleagues and clients professionally. The second most important skill which you need to have in your resume is your problem solving skills. Demonstrating your ability to analyze the issue, finding the solution and make a decision is crucial in any role. Highlight the instance where you have successfully solved a problem or implemented a innovative solution in your resume. The third most important skill which you need to have in your resume is your technical skills. Depending upon your field, highlight all your technical skills in detail. Example, your specific software program which you have learnt, a special skills which you have acquired, or any technical equipment operation skill which you can handle. This will impress the recruiter to shortlist your resume. The fourth important skill which you can have in your resume is your leadership skills. Even if you are not applying for any managerial position, showcasing your leadership skill ability can set you apart. This could include examples of times where you have led your project, mentored colleagues, or demonstrated and taken responsibility. The fifth important skill which you can have in your resume is your adaptability and the flexibility. In today's fast-paced work environment, employers value candidates who can adapt to changing circumstances, learn new skills and thrive to diverse situations. If possible, highlight the instance where you have successfully adapted to new challenges or environment. Remember to tailor your resume to each job application, emphasizing the skills relevant to the job position. If you feel this information is valuable, comment your views, share with your friends or relatives who are looking for a job. Dear friend, visit jobstap.in, India's first chatting job portal. It just takes less than 1 minute for registration.